Okay, let's talk about completely resetting your finances. It only takes about 90 days.
Do you ever feel like you're just stuck in that work, pay bills, and repeat cycle?
They actually call it checking account anxiety. But you know what? There's a way out.
So, what's the magic behind 90 days? Turns out, it's the perfect amount of time.
Yep, it's the Goldilocks zone for your brain, just right for new habits to actually stick.
See, this isn't some 21-day hack. We're talking about a full-on brain rewiring. Okay, picture this. Your money is like a leaky irrigation system. Got it?
To fix those leaks, we're going to use a simple 3-step plan. Let's get into it.
All right, first up, days 1 to 30. This whole month is about one thing: awareness.
Your only job is to track every dollar. No judging, just noticing where it all goes.
Because, you can't change what you don't see. Consciousness is the first step.
Okay, next up, days 31 to 60. Now we start to actually restructure things.
It's called the priority stack. You align your spending with what really matters to you.
And finally, days 61 to 90. This is the fun part, the acceleration phase. All that extra cash you've now freed up, we're going to put it to work. Build your safety net, start a new income stream, and hey, you get a reward too. The goal isn't just to save a few bucks, it's to make your life financially unrecognizable. So, if this explainer was helpful and you want to see more just like it,
Go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what we should break down next.